So today we're going to explore this pretty cool market, which is close to the city center, but like a 10 or 15 minute walk. So this is the start, and proceeding from downtown through this wonderful gallery. Okay, so now we're in the place, and they really have good selection of stuff. You can spend hours here rummaging through everything, and you'll definitely find things. There's so much stuff here. Okay, here's a huge clothing selection. Look at that. Jewelry. And wow, yeah. Can't even start to go near this. Spend hours. Okay, now we're really in the main section here. So here is also, you can see a huge selection of, for example, some nice shirts. Jackets. Oh, here also. Can't very well remember which shop, but it's like a jungle here. Oh. You see some nice shirts, really. Some really in very good shape and good quality too. Seem almost like new. This one here. Look at this one. Oh, like a dress shirt. Okay. Like, yeah. This is really a good selection. I think I'll return here. Another shop here, again with a huge selection. Look at this. These t-shirts. Wow. Just endless stuff. Nice things here. I like nice shirts. And so here, okay, there's no limit. What's this one like? One Paisley design, like that too. Okay, huge amount of selection. Football jerseys. Wow, okay. Now, yeah, so the story that I can tell is that here in this market I once met some guys who were rummaging through these things in even more determined and targeted way than me. Oh, look at this. Again, huge selection. And then we started talking and they said, yeah, they're actually doing this for business, going through these markets, looking for good items, fashion, and they were, I think, from the UK, or they're from Netherlands, and anyway, buying big amounts, and then they said, yeah, they were shipping these back to the countries where these items were being donated from, so like the UK and stuff, and rebuying them here and then selling them to their friends and others back home. So that's really just incredible. And look at this here. Yeah, and reselling it back home, and apparently profitable with the affordable transport service from here, from Albania back to UK somehow. And I guess they need to pay customs or something. And so that's here's again, there's this huge place here which is just going through the tables, and then look at that, shoes, other stuff. And here there's another market. This one also has very good quality things. I like this. I got a few things here. And now we're almost at the end. Anyway, so what they got, big amounts, and they do this regularly, ship them back home, and actually it's a business. And they were saying that oftentimes in the UK or so, they would donate just not sold stuff, basically new, in huge bundles, not even sure what's inside, and that would come here to Albania, for example, and then be sold on these markets. So the things are actually new and top quality, fashionable in the trends, or almost the latest trends. And they so they get them here. So that's why there's good stuff on the markets, and which is really worthwhile to pick up, and then they sell it back home. So yeah, so that's their business model, which I thought was incredibly interesting and a bit absurd, of shipping things back and forth. Okay, so now I think we'll end with that. Here again is the side of this big lane with all of the fashion. So if you want to come here and shop a little bit, do so. I can just recommend it. You'll get excellent deals and have a really fun time. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Bye now. So guys, I hope you liked the tour. And so now we come to our short quiz. So I'll blend in two of the items I bought, And if you can identify where in the video you can spot them, then please enter it into the comments. And yeah, let's see. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here's number 1, and here's number 2. Okay, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.